Alright, so here's my Rubik's Cube submission. So you click and rotate the sides. You have to click the side that is there, and what basically happens is um, the center becomes a new parent of the surrounding cubes, and then you rotate it 90 degrees depending on if your mouse is going positive or negative in screen space. And then once it is done, there's a function that lerps between the 90-degree angles, basically, using a rounding function. It works correctly. There's even a nice little display up there. It doesn't change when the cube rotates because um, technically, nothing changes when the cube rotates. But I'll do a quick little solve. Got my pieces there. That works. See, when it solves and the display goes up there. I'll take a look at a couple of the scripts. Here's cube map. Um, there's a couple main scripts. We have two different movement scripts, two different state scripts. So what happens is the pivot rotation, this one, um, actually, this one, the XYZ. So it checks the mouse position and then just rotates the cube based on that. And then basically rotates it towards 90 degrees on the equivalent thing based on the swipes. So test the swipes based on these functions, which basically tell you like where relative to the where you first click, depending on your next click. Um, the next one, um, basically, this one is what gets the color of the images or of the cube and displays it to the cube state. Map is basically um, the list of sides, basically. Um, this is what rotates it. Um, well, actually, this does not rotate it. This is what allows you to kind of rotate it. This checks which side rotates and then reparents it. So the pivot rotation actually rotates it. So there's a function called pivot pickup rotation or pickup that is in read. Let me check real quick. Cube state, and this is where reparents it. So it takes the parent and changes the parent and changes it to whatever is in the center of the list of faces, and then you rotate it, and then pivot will round it to the nearest 90 degrees, and that's how it works.